Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said, faster horses. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Vision without execution is just hallucination. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. Chop your own wood, and it will warm you twice. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of the great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle, as well as from your own. There is no disgrace in honest failure. There is disgrace in fearing to fail. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Money doesn't change men, it merely unmasks them. If a man is naturally selfish, or arrogant, or greedy, the money brings that out. That's all. The ability to know how to get the information is more important than using the mind as a garage of facts. The competitor to be feared is one who never bothers about you at all, but goes on making his own business better all the time. Everybody wants to be someplace he ain't.